What was that?
Teamwork.
We did teamwork?
For the fire. That's how good it ended up. Ready?
Yeah, I would say so. I love you, Shan.
You made it easy.
Yes.
You are.
Yeah.
Why?
Because I love you.
The whole time?
No, not the whole time. I started right after you said, see, look at our great fire because of teamwork. And then I started, it's like, what was that? Teamwork.
Teamwork.
Yeah.
That's teamwork right there.
Look at her. It's hard to see her because it's dark, but she's beautiful, isn't she? Yeah.
Well, you're making yourself look good for the history books, aren't you?
Trying. I know I suck, but, you know, I'm trying. I'm making you look good.
Oh, you're making me look good?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, look how the light shines on your face.
Yeah.
It's all red and beautiful.
Good. Good.
1 minute, done.